There was a couple of machines left. They kind of scrapped it out for what they needed.
Still anything?
No.
Not really. That's all tight.
There's my shirt at the bottom.
Yeah, there's a little liquid down there in that one. This one's bone dry. Got a bunch of kitty litter in it.
Yeah, they use that vermiculite stuff.
For oils, or
It's,
to absorb it up.
It's just
I saw that in the video.
yeah, it's cool.
I'm not going near it.
Originally.
Hmm?
What was all the piping originally?
There's my shirt. I wonder what happened to all my glasses and stuff.
No, if you guys want, we can take and, if you got a sheet of plastic, we can take and pull the pipe out and lay it out and see what's down at the bottom.
If you want to.
Might answer a few questions for everybody.
That is.
I suppose what happens when they start taking the pipe, they just took everything
Yeah,
out.
this is electrical conduit.
Yeah.
It says electrical conduit on it. This, on the other hand, this had liquid in it.
Pretty much on
Number
the ground.
one is our west.
That's number 2 you're looking at.
That's number 2?
Yep.
Thank you. That's 3/4. 3/4 is the electrical. Well, it looks like there's some.
Yeah, there's probably some inch and a quarter or inch in there too.
There's 7/8. I guess that's 3/4. Let's see what's. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong scale. No, it's the right scale.
I could tell you the pipes that are the pipes that had that I. That
Yeah,
were
I
in the
guess it's going to be all the
no,
larger.
Inch and 3/8.
No, the pipes that were in the video.
Inch and 3/8 OD, inch and 1/8 OD. That's electrical.
The pipes that were in the video.
Yeah.
Well, I guess. Am I going to ruin your empirical data?
No, that's okay.
But the pipes that were in the video that were on the floor that were covered the stuff that had the acid in it were the ones that were black.
Yeah.
The ones that had been doused and turned black.
These
I don't remember. I remember those being on the wall.
Yeah.
This stuff here.
Yeah. But I think it was the actual black, the pipes that turned black. The acid turned it a different color or something.
Leave these down here.
Like this one?
Yeah, like the black, like the first one, the narrow,
The little skinny one.
the narrow one. Just lost my voice there for a sec. Sorry.
Well, I need to write down what we got. So we got we got 3/4. Most of it is well, I'm gonna go by the OD. It's inch and 1/8.
There we go. And just get right off of
Where'd
the
you say?
PVC pipe. This is
It's 1 inch.
1 inch. Yeah.
It's 1 inch. What's the OD on that? That must be the inch and 3/8 OD. Yeah, that's what it is. So we got 3/4 and 1 inch. 3/4 inch, 1 inch PVC conduit. No residue.
Yeah. Looks like a regular T-shirt.
T-shirt? Here's the shirt. I think it's lower.
Well, you can't get lower than 0, so.
Oh yeah, it can actually. Wait a minute. Negative log. No, it can't. That's right. 0's it. Yeah. Okay, drum 2 or drum 1. Get them straight in there. That's the bed. We got. It's 1.5 inches.
The
Just
smaller is this is
It looks like 1/2 inch. Huh?
yeah. So as I say, I think it's either 1/2 inch or 3/8, but probably half.
It says 1/2. Yeah. 1 and 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch.
You know what? That red looks really red. I can't. Whoops, sorry.
You know, did it have any? Did your shirt have any writing on it?
Yeah, it had writing on it, but that.
Like a.
Yeah, should we take this?
You know,
We can take the pipe out and stack it if you want.
Is that?
As I say, if you want, we can move some of this pipe out of the way, then we probably get out easier.
I want to touch that. Oh yeah,
Is that recognizable?
Holy mackerel! That's my logo.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the silkscreen. The orange paint is still orange. The shirt turned red.
Let's, you want to get a picture of that?
The orange is the orange paint.
What was it?
Yeah, that's my Aardvark logo.
So we got gloves. Shirt. Residue.
Yeah, it's one of these black pipes. Is what was on the video.
I think I got enough.
Any more you want to see?
No, but the other thing I think of is what we probably should do. Let's collect a little bit of that cloth. We'll put it into a vial and leave it in here, just so that when we come back, it's not, it's somewhat preserved. So it could just keep on going down on us, and before we know it, we're not going to have a sample.
That's
Use this vial and get some.
that's what would happen. We just keep going.
Well, I think the cotton is pretty well broken down now. I think it is too. But with that little bit of water in there, if the drums get moved around much, you start getting it in the summertime. She starts cooking in this heat. We're liable to. You're just going to take it just like that vial. It's going to just turn to powder and become mush, and that's much harder to work with. And this way, if we got a little bit of this, we can actually analyze it and identify what the acid is pretty easily.
Wow.
The braid is holding up. That's got to be nice nylon thread.
Yeah, that could be. Yeah, I noticed that. 'Cause it's
Still worn, but it's
the stitching is still there.
just looking to see if we can sample the liquid and save that as well. You want to just take a sample of it now and have us analyze it and find out what it is? So if we don't feel it. Let's see, what's the plastic bag?
put them on a...
Some gloves in there.
That no, see the looks like a pot or a dish or a...
Oh, yeah, that's the water bottle that saved my life.
Oh, okay. Then there was a looks like some fittings or plastic fittings in here too. Looks like PVC or something, polypropylene maybe.
Oh yeah, there's I saw that in the video. There was an acid pump or something there.
Oh, okay. Like it would go from a barrel and then...
I don't know. It was something on a shelf. When I spoke to the fire department, they're the ones that told me about that, and they showed me a picture of it.
Okay.
You're-
Can't quite see it.
You're pretty dang gutsy, Wilbus. I'm gonna be digging in there, man.
After a while, you gotta get used to it. There's a bag of something down there, different pieces, bits and pieces. Looks like an old chemical feed pump and
Probably if you spoke to the hazmat rescue 4, they're the ones that...
they're the ones that actually packaged it all.
No. They're the ones that directed. I think they're the ones that directed. Directed them what to do, or I don't know. I wasn't here.
Did the fire department come or
Hazmat came.
hazmat? Yeah.
Hazmat took control of the property. It was only after I went back to visit with them, and they're the ones who had mentioned the pump to me.
The pump?
Some kind of. They said it looked like some kind of pump.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
why.
we'll put these in a safe place. We'll line up a lab to do test it. We come back and do this. We'll have plastic sheeting. We'll spread everything out and do real complete.
You do that here, or you do that?
No, we'll
Do that at a lab.
do it at a. We'll probably send these to a safety clean, I think. That's what Ken's talking about.
Oh, safety clean? Is that what you said?
Even though it's not hazardous waste.
Huh?
It's not hazardous waste because it's not a waste.
Oh, gotcha.
We need to store it somewhere where it's not going to create liability. And I don't think Ken wants to do that. Here, no matter how.
Real muddy right in here.
Wow, so the pump guy actually stays there for the whole time and pumps it?
No.
What, he's just showing him? She's built lots of stuff. There's a bunch of them. And there's coffee and cream. figured I got 5 minutes of tape. I get this, and then we could do all the other stuff on Monday. We get a bunch of tapes. It'll be the final part anyway.